Have you ever encountered an embarrassing situation? iPad unable to check for updates? Here are some effective methods to solve this problem. Open Settings. Go to Wi-Fi. Check if you have connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Long press and hold the top power button and home button at the same time until iPad restart. Open Safari, visit Apple Support. Search for System Status page. Check whether services such as iOS device activation or software update is displayed as green available on the page. Go to Settings, General, pull down to find and type Transfer or Reset iPad. Select Reset greater than Reset Network Settings. Go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Check if there are any installed VPN or management profiles. Delete suspicious profiles. Go to General and then iPhone Storage and check how much space is left. It is generally recommended to leave at least 5 GB of free space. Still General in Settings, and then Transfer or Reset iPad. Select Reset. Reset all settings. Enter the device password to confirm the operation. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPad. Erase all content and settings. Enter the passcode and confirm to perform a factory reset. Back up important data in advance to prevent loss. Next, the two update methods for iPad. Connect the iPad to the computer via a data cable. Open iTunes or Finder and select the iPad device on the left. Click Check for update. Launch MagFone iOS System Recovery. Select OS Upgrade. Download the firmware package. After download, click the Start Upgrade button and the software will start an update on your iPad.